Well, good morning from cloudy WA. It's Monday. It's around about 9:30, I think. No carving, but my brother-in-law's made a bird feeder for my wife, for Maggie, and I now need to make it a bit more presentable to go into the garden. Bit of timber on it, something to hold the seed. It's going to go on this pole here. The idea of a metal pole is that the mice can't get up into the seed, and so I'll be using treated pine, and I'll be using old Jarrah gate, which I'll use for the base, and the pine will be used for trim. So I'll be trimming around here, and the base of course will go down there. I'm trying to make this a continuous type video, so I'll try and put it on pause and we'll see what happens, and I'll try and give you progress results. Having great success in keeping all this thing going, so I'm just going to do this little bits and pieces and try and stitch them together. So there's the top hat, at least we've made a start on that. Next thing is these side pieces here, and I'll come back to you. So we're getting there. That's the first end done. Put some sort of pattern on that, but I'm not quite sure what yet. Discuss that with Maggie. Now these are little bits and pieces of video, so I'm hoping I can stitch them together, so you got an idea what I've been doing. So I've got the other end to do, the base to do, then it'll be welded and put on the post, and the post to be put in the ground. But a little bit of work to do yet. Finished. Couldn't get much more video done during the day, but hopefully you can see design up there. Bit of an attempt today. So that'll be it in the ground.